In this quick lesson, we're going to use Pixelmator Pro to scan, correct, and import a set of prints into our Photos library one by one. So I'm in Pixelmator Pro, and I have 9 prints on my scanner. From the File menu, go to Import, and in this window my scanner appears. This shows up because I already have it installed in the Printers and Scanners System Preference pane on my Mac. When the scanner is selected in the Pixelmator Pro import window, a preview scan is performed that shows us what's on the scanner. And to the right, we have all the typical image controls. Since I'm bringing this scan directly into Pixelmator Pro, I don't really need to make any image adjustments first. I am going to up the resolution to 600 dpi just to get the best quality. Next, I need to make a box around all the prints and scan them all at once. Once completed, the scan is brought into Pixelmator Pro and is on a background layer. This one came in upside down, so I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees from the Tools menu. Next, I'm going to hit the C key to activate the Crop tool. Now I can crop to the first image, and then make any image adjustments or corrections this picture might need. Once I like what I have, I can use the Share button to send this image to the Photos app and store it there. And of course, from here in Photos, we can name the photo, apply keywords, add faces, put it into an album, and more. Back in Pixelmator Pro, we're going to use the Undo command with the shortcut Command-Z to back up to the full scan of the 9 prints. Now I can repeat the process for the next photo. Crop to it, make adjustments, share to Photos, and add information or other adjustments to the image there in Photos. So if you have some old prints laying around that need to be scanned, this can be a relatively fast process to get them into your Photos library by using the Pixelmator Pro import command. Learn much more about using Pixelmator Pro and the Mac Photos app in those full tutorials available on the MacU.com. Thanks for watching.